Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, futures trading is a strategy or a method where you can make a lot of money from very less investment. And in case if you don't know what you're doing, then you can also turn your huge investments into nothing. Guys, if you utilize this futures trading platform correctly, then literally you can make a lot of money in this crypto industry in very less time. But the problem is most of the people who are watching this video don't know how to do futures trading. So in this video, I'll be suggesting you best futures trading exchange with tutorial, and I'll also give you the link to join free VIP Telegram channel for future trade signals. But there's a small criteria that you should complete if you want to join the premium channel. I'm gonna tell that later in this video, okay? So keep watching. And guys, you all know what's happening with certain international exchanges like Binance, right? So people are moving from international exchanges to Indian exchanges, but here the problem is on Indian exchanges there's no futures trading option. So if you're looking for best Indian exchange with futures trading option, then my suggestion is go with CoinDCX. Guys, after the FIU news, CoinDCX has massively updated their futures trading portal. Now just take a look at this. Their interface, speed, and liquidity is in competition with international exchanges. Okay, guys, now I'm going to show you the complete A to Z tutorial on how to use a futures trading option on CoinDCX exchange. Now, before we start, guys, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay, guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. And guys, one more thing, in case if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, then I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So just click on that link and register on CoinDCX. So after downloading and registering on CoinDCX, you will get an interface just like this. Now the second step is you should add funds on CoinDCX. You can transfer crypto from any other exchange to CoinDCX, or you can link your bank account and you can directly add funds from there. So here I'll show you how to transfer crypto from other exchanges to CoinDCX account. Now I'll go on to Binance Exchange. I'll transfer this 38 USDT to CoinDCX, and I'm just letting you know I've transferred all my crypto from Binance because I'm not ready to take any kind of risk. Now click on this USDT. Click on withdrawal. Select the first option, send via crypto network. Now go on to your CoinDCX account. Click on this deposit option. Click on USDT tether. Click on yes, I understand. Now at the top you'll have the option to select the network. So I'll click on this and I'll select BP20 network. BP20 is because the network fee is very less. Now to copy the address, simply click on this copy option. Now go back to your Binance account and under network select BP20, and the network which you're selecting here should match on both exchanges. So paste the address here and enter how much USDT you want to transfer. Once you have filled out everything, click on withdraw. Click on confirm and finish all the verification process. So guys, I've initiated the withdrawal process and it will take hardly 5 minutes for Binance to transfer my USDT. Now I'll go to CoinDCX, and one more thing guys, sometimes it might take several hours for CoinDCX to show your deposit, okay? It's normal, so don't worry. Now click on I understand. Now I'll go to profile, click on this, click on crypto. So here it's not showing my deposit, so I'll wait for some time. Okay guys, now it's been some time and I'm gonna log into my CoinDCX. I'll go to profile, or you can simply click on this option here. Click on crypto. So yes, here I received my 38 USDT deposit and it's showing details required. So click on this option. Click on submit deposit details. Here it's asking, is this deposit from a wallet owned by you? I'll click on yes. Now click on this and select transferring from my own wallet to CoinDCX. Click on select. Now tick this box and click on submit details. So yes, my crypto deposit is complete. And whatever crypto you're transferring to CoinDCX, it will be displayed all here, okay, under this funds section. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to trade futures on CoinDCX now. Guys, the exchange is very simple and it's very easy to use. And down below, you have all these options. So I'll click on futures. So yes, this is the trading interface here. And here you can see that already one of my future trade is running. So you can directly trade from here, or you can go to the market section. You can click on futures and you can select any coins from here, okay? Or you can also search it up from here. So I'll search for BTC futures. Guys, before like a few months back, future trading on this exchange was not that sophisticated. But now they've completely changed everything to meet the international demands. So at the top, you have this graph, and you can set the time duration according to your needs. And up here, you have charts, stats, and trading option. And down below also, you have these three options: trade, position, and orders. So if you click on this position, it will show all the running trades. And if you click on trade, it will give you the trading interface. Now here you have two options: long and short. So if you open a long trade, then you're predicting that the market will pump. And if the market pumps, then you'll make profit from your trade. Now, if you open a trade under short, then you're predicting that the market will come down, or it may crash. So here, even if the market crashes, you can still make profit. Now here you have something written as 5x. So this is leverage. Now to explain leverage in simple terms, if you use low leverage, lower will be the profit, but low risk. The higher leverage you select, higher will be the risk, and higher will also be your profit. Now here you have something called market. So if you select this option, then your trade will be executed at the market price. In case if you select the limit option, then you can set your own price. So right now BTC is trading at $50,954, and I can set the limit at $48,000. So once Bitcoin touches this price, then automatically my trade will get executed. So for now, I'll go with this market option. Now here you have something called size. So this is where you select how much funds you want to put on each trade. So you can simply drag this and select how much ever USDT you want. Here you can either select USDT by value, or you can also select BTC by quantity. You can either choose anyone, okay? There's no problem. So here I'm gonna put 153 USDT on this trade, and I'll click on buy long. So yes, instantly my BTC trade has been executed, and down below there's also my previous trade. So all the trade that you open will be displayed here under this section. Now if you click on this trade option, you'll get this interface where you can trade. And if you click on this positions option, then it will display all the ongoing and running trades. Now guys, if you want to increase or set stop loss or take profits, then you can do all that here. Now under adjust, you can increase the margin. Increasing the margin means adding additional funds to your running trades. So by doing this, you can adjust your pushing your liquidation price for, or you can also directly adjust liquidation or the leverage. So here you have something called at TP bar SL. Here TP stands for take profits, and SL stands for stop loss. So here there's trade details, and down below you have this take profits. Now I opened this trade at $51,000, right? So if I want to close this trade at $52,000, then I'll simply enter a $52,000 here under take profit. So once BTC touches $52,000, then automatically my trade will get closed, and profits will be booked. Now stop loss means closing a trade at specific points to cut short your losses. So I entered this trade at $51,000, right? So if I set stop loss at $50,000, then when Bitcoin price hits $50,000, automatically my trade will get closed. So once you have filled everything, click on confirm. So my TP and SL is being displayed here. And if you want to adjust this, then simply click on this pencil icon. And under orders, you'll find all your unexecuted trades. Okay, now if you want to manually close your trades, then click on this close option. Here you have a quick, market, and limit option. Now under limit option, you can set your own price. Like if you set a price, and if that price matches with the market price, then automatically your trade will get closed at that particular price. Now under this market option, you can close your trade at the market price. And you can also set or select how much percentage of your trade you wanna close. So yes, these are the basic things which you need to know if you want to do futures trading on CoinDCX exchange. Guys, the interface is very easy and user friendly. And since the liquidity on this exchange is very good, your trades will get executed instantly. Okay guys, now if you want to join the free Telegram channel for futures trading signals, then there's some small criteria. Guys, I've created a free future trade signals Telegram channel just for CoinDCX users. And once the Telegram channel reaches at least 30 to 50 people, I'll start sharing free signals that you can use to trade futures on CoinDCX exchange. Guys, that CoinDCX Telegram channel is completely free. Now, if you want to join the Telegram channel, then there's some small criteria. First is you should create account on CoinDCX using my referral link. I'll leave my referral link in the description of this video. In case if you already created account on CoinDCX like a long back, then just enter my coupon code on your CoinDCX account, and you'll become eligible. Now to add coupon code on your exchange, come on to home page, click on profile. Now if you scroll down, you have this coupon code option. So click on this, and here you should enter the coupon code. I'll leave the coupon code in the description of this video, or I'll leave it here on the screen. So just enter that on your account, and you'll become eligible. Now the second step is you should deposit at least 200 USDT on your CoinDCX account. So once you have done all this, take screenshots and send it to me on Telegram. Okay, I'll give you the link to join the Telegram channel. And guys, you'll find my Telegram username on my main Telegram channel. Okay, my main Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video, or you can search Technovas. But when you're searching for Technovas, please be careful. Okay, that's a lot of scammers. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then drop that in the comment section down below. And guys, please to drop a like on this video. And if you're new, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.